Tandy, nested among lush hills and the scenic Mahavali River, is a culture jewel of Sri Lanka. Its mountain-clad landscapes and cooler climate make it a beloved destination for travelers. Whether you are seeking historic charm, boutique retreats, riverside elegance, or tranquil hillside escape, Kandy offers a diverse range of accommodations that cater to every preference and budget. The first one is Rue Boutique Hotel. Set on the edge of Kandy Lake, Rue Boutique Hotel blends Canadian heritage with modern elegance. The intimate property features just 14 spacious rooms, all thoughtfully decorated to enhance comfort and privacy. Guests enjoy lakefront views, serene courtyard dining, and a claim oasis amidst the city's bustling. Its location make it ideal for exploring cultural landmarks while still finding peaceful respite inside. The second one is King's Pavilion Luxury Hotel. Just outside the city center, King's Pavilion sits in the 3-acre estate overlooking misty hills. This eco-chic boutique evokes colonial charm with just 9 elegantly pointed rooms, an infinity pool, spa, and secluded gardens. Guests can unwind while surrounded by tranquil nature and dine on authentic local cuisine. It's perfect for couples and travelers looking for privacy and understated luxury. The third one is Rivera Heights. Perched on a hillside, Rivera Heights offer panoramic views of the hills and Candy Lake from its contemporary rooms and private balconies. The property features a plush pool and terrace restaurant, making it relaxing retreat after a day of sightseeing. The guest experiences is made warmer by friendly staff and well-designed modern interiors. The fourth one is the Red Candy. Stylishly located downtown, the Red Candy combines Canadian architectural elegance with modern amenities. The hotel features comfortable rooms, a spa, fitness center, and even a Japanese restaurant, making it a convenient yet luxurious place for exploring Candy's culture attractions. It seamlessly fuses tradition with modern hospitality. The fifth one is Mahavali Reach Hotel. As Candy's first ever 5-star hotel, Mahavali Reach sits grandly on the bank of the Mahavali River. Built in a refined colonial style, it offers spacious rooms, multiple dining venues, and a serene riverside setting. It remains a classic choice for travelers seeking luxury, history, and a river view experience in the heart of the Candy. The next one is Hotel Space. Hotel Space is a heritage property seated on the hill overlooking the city. Dating back to the colonial times, it blends old world charm with today's comfort in its 88 rooms and suites. Facilities include a pool, in-house restaurant, spa, and spacious garden perfect for guests looking for an elegant and historical rich ambience. The next one is Queen's Hotel. Once the governor's residence, Queen's Hotel is an iconic colonial landmark in central Kandy. Its stately facade and heritage charm lead into a comfortable hotel featuring 2 restaurants and outdoor pool and rooms that reflect its grand past. It's appealing to history buffs and guests craving nostalgia. The next one is Old Empire Hotel. A true heritage gem, the Old Empire Hotel dates back to the late 19th century and is built on the site of a former coffee factory. Located near the Temple of the Tooth, it offers essential comforts in a charming historical setting with only 14 rooms. The personalized hospitality and rich story of the building add to its appeal. The second last is the Candy House. Housed in an 1804 manor nested within 6 acres of lush gardens, the Candy House offers a boutique villa experience. Within just 9 uniquely styled rooms, antique furnishing, and a peaceful atmosphere, it feels more like a private residence than a hotel, ideal for couples seeking tranquility and personalized service close to nature. The last one is Hilga's Folly, a delightfully eccentric experience. Hilga's Folly is a boutique art nouveau hotel built within a vibrant mural covered mansion. Its quirky decor, filled with antiques and personal memorabilia, create a unforgettable stay equal parts eccentric and inviting. A stay here isn't just lounging, it's an artistic adventure. Candy's hotel scene is as varied and vibrant as the city itself. From riverside elegance and historic colonial stays to quirky boutique hideaways and eco retreats. Whether you wish to immerse yourself in culture, unwind its natural embrace, or indulge in refined luxury, these 10 properties deliver unforgettable hospitality in Sri Lanka's cultural heart.